So guys, good day and welcome to another catch up section 7. We've been busy at the shop for the past few weeks now doing some work. As you guys can see, these are new design and also this purse. I've been making this. I think I make making a video for this. I did not make video for this, and I make video for one of this. I think this. So and we have a lot to do at the workshop now. I just did this and those two. So the one we did, the one with the wooden cover, we've sent it to the client at the US embassy. You guys watched from the last catch up, and we have a lot of work to do. As you can see, I think we have almost up to 10 more bags to make. We have this one pair with this. We have this new Assoke we just get pair with another. I think pair with this green, this carton color. There's hash here. There's orange here. And we have this orange Assoke pair with it. We also have this green we'll be pairing as well. This red will be pairing with this particular red, and this blue, black, hash, sky blue, pink will also be paired with this pink material, as you guys can see. So you guys will see a lot of work, but I don't know if we'll be able to finish everything in this week. If we can in this month catch up, if we can, you watch the rest, and if there are other ones I need to do like the making or a tutorial for it, I will try my best. So guys, that's just it. Inside there's nothing inside, it's just me picking out some accessories I'll be using for the process. And I just finished fixing even the one I just showed you now, those drawstring back. I just finished making it. I have to return the garment machine back and all the punch with the highlights and the dies for everything. So I will clear this place, then I'll bring out the interface and start cutting interface for those particular one I just showed you here. So without no further ado, that's just the update so far. We'll continue, and if I can just put a time lapse, you guys will see a time lapse as I will continue the rest of the activities. So this is the diagram for this particular one I show you here. And also I think I'll be making a laptop what is it called? I can't even remember again. Well, later on when I remember, I'm going to talk to you about it, guys. Maybe today, next day, or even within the week. And as you guys can see, we have our Okin luxury branding there. Not the way I want it yet, but we're still working on that. And the second one for the light will be on the side. So finger crossed, they are coming soon. That is it there. The stuff you can see, this aluminium stuff, it is called suspense screw. That's the design, the light bag collection logo, and the branding, it will be placed on this wall later on. So from the, I think a few years ago I was saying we're going to put paint on this wall, paint here, but everything changed, and pretty very soon, we don't know, maybe we might be leaving this place to a bigger place or another branch, as I've said earlier this year. But things have not gone the way we planned, as everything is changing around the world economically and financially and everything. So you still have to consider a lot of things and a little bit slow down on your speed. So guys, enough talking. I will see you guys at the continuation. Thank you for watching, and talk to you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the catch up. Few days ago, about a week ago, I show you all this one I cut down, I keep down here, but we've been working on them. We've cut all the interface and the material and the Assoke, and actually we've started few. At the end of the day, I will be making 6 of them. 6. So this is 3. This is 1 for this hash. We have the green here. We have this orange. I think the orange should be 2. We have 2 shades of orange. This one and another one here that we've not even touched. This is another orange here. So I just finished this particular one now. So later on we'll be working on this one. So we continue. Whichever way it goes, we are going to update you later. If there is time for me to do a time lapse, you guys are going to see the time lapse. But if there's no time, we'll just keep you updated and show you everything so far. So guys, for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, you can use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Share with people you know it might be of help to them. Maybe people that just want to venture into bag making, people that are already here that need more knowledge. And for those of you who have any question, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer all the questions. And for those who are interested in learning bag making, whether online or you want to come to the workshop, or you have some design you want us to produce for you, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can chat with me from there and we proceed. We have a discussion and we proceed with your work. So guys, enough of this. Let me continue the work. Actually, I might not even continue the work. I just need to finish this one. This is what I'm talking about. I need to go out. I have a meeting I need to attend. So I need to go out right now. So once I'm back, or maybe tomorrow or within the week, we'll proceed with the rest of those one. As we are not in rush to make this. We still have about 3 weeks or 2 weeks to the trade fair. We'll be going to present them. So whichever way it goes, you guys will be updated. So far, I'm still the only one at the workshop. No one yet, but pretty very soon you might see them. I don't know. So guys, enough talking. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the catch up. As you guys can see, we've been very busy at the workshop doing all this work. At the end of the day, we end up making just 6 of this print, different prints. But one it's 2, but we mix it with different things. So right now I'm about to start fixing the hand to the body. We are done with all the preparation. The side already, we've put the D-ring, the bottom already, we've cut the lining. It's just for me now. That is the zip also there. It's left for me now to attach the zip to this particular lining and the zip extension, the top side extension, not the main zip extension. That's the zip extension that has been attached to the zip. The main top side extension for the top, it's now left for me to attach that before we apply gum to the lining. Then we start assembling our bag. But right now I'm just going to fix the hand without no further ado. Probably I might do a time lapse when fixing the hand, so you guys will learn a little bit from there. So guys, for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Share this video with people you think you know or think it might be of help to them, whether people that are just starting in the journey of their bag making business, or they want to learn, or they are just starting out, or they have been involved in bag making before and want more experience to learn new stuff. Share this video with them. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on our video and how we can improve on our content more, and anything you want us to do, just feel free. For those of you who also want to learn, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. From there you can chat with me, you can ask more questions. Thank you guys for watching, and I think we will proceed with the rest of the making. So guys, enough talking. Watch the time lapse. guys, welcome to the continuation. As you guys can see, the bag we're making the last time, they are all done. I'll turn the camera around to show you a bit, but I have some other work I need to do. I think I have a laptop sleeve, 2 laptop sleeve, then 3 posts, 2 MIDI. Okay, we know 1 MIDI, then 2 mini that I need to make. I will just turn the camera now and show you everything on the text, and also show you this particular one. So guys, I've also fixed this on the wall, but I've not peeled this. I'll also be showing you a little bit of it now. It's just the main logo. So guys, let me turn the camera with no further words, not further discussion. See you guys at the other side. So as I was saying, I have to make 2 sleeve laptop bag, 1 MIDI pulse, then 2 mini pulse as well. Once I finish, I'm going to show you. Then that's where we'll be ending this month's catch up. The sign is up already. I haven't removed this. I'll be removing it, but I don't know when. I just leave it this way. You guys can see it. I promise you that once I put it, I will let you see it. That's why I'm still showing this. And these are all the bag. We have this in orange, pink, gold, carton color, red, and green. And you say, I don't know, I don't have to be specifying the kind of green you use or the specific color. I just made mention of them that way. So that's just the bag for you guys. Right now we'll proceed with this because it's getting late. It's already 4 o'clock and I need to finish up this today, whether I like it or not. Or if I can't finish today, any other day I'll just try to finish it. So guys, see you at the continuation. So guys, this is the laptop sleeve I was talking about the other day. We finished making it. As you can see, I make just 2. As I told you earlier, that I'll be making just 2. And this purse, I make 1. Then this small purse, they are of the same size, the black and the pink. So that's just it. But this one, I'm having like a kind of feeling, I don't know, it's soft, but maybe it's the Assoke I use on it. This one is a little bit more vibrant than it, but this is the one I like the best, the most. I can even carry this myself. So that's just it so far, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Everything is still the way it is. Probably we are going for an event, so in the next month's catch up, you guys will get to see it because it's already late. Everywhere is dark now, very late. If I say this is, I think, to 1 a.m. still at the workshop. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys and expect more good content on the channel. So thank you guys all. I don't even know what to say because I'm really tired. I need to start going and go have a rest, sleep, because tomorrow is another beautiful day. So guys, enough talking. See you guys later. See you guys in the next catch up. Bye for now.